And next, what you really need to know about TikTok right away.
Try to make sense of it, and you can't unless the sense is this. Barack Obama's a Democrat. He wants the Democrats to have control and more power, and they will put anyone into positions of power if it means that they get their agenda through. That's it. It is not more complicated. There's no country over party. It's party over everything, and if that means being absolutely hypocritical on some issues, so be it.
Weekdays at 3 p.m. East, noon West. Listen live or get the podcast now at GuyBensonShow.com.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve the nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio. If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve the nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Welcome back! Today, our question is for all our listeners out there. Which internet provider has the fastest top speeds? Is it A, Xfinity? There is only one answer, and it's the right one. A, Xfinity. That's right, Xfinity has the fastest top speeds, plus gig speed Wi-Fi on the largest gig speed network. I love this show!
Restrictions apply. Gig speed Wi-Fi requires gigabit internet and compatible X-Fi gateway. Actual speeds vary.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
Earn a lump sum payout after your first year at Vitas. Our Difference Maker program recognizes nurses for their commitment to care for patients at the bedside. Apply today at careers.vitas.com and receive your lump sum payout after year one.
Get all of your favorite Fox News podcasts commercial-free on Apple Podcasts with Fox News Podcasts Plus. From Dana Perino, Kennedy, Ben Domenech, The Duffys, and many more. Subscribe now by going to foxnewspodcasts.com. The Fox News Rundown, a contrast of perspectives you won't hear anywhere else. Your daily dose of news twice a day. Featuring insight from top newsmakers, reporters, and Fox News contributors. Listen and subscribe now by going to foxnewspodcasts.com.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
Always on the run? Power Market has everything you need right around the corner. Snacks, hot foods, drinks, grocery, and free coffee on Wednesdays. Power Market is your local neighborhood market, known for being the area's most friendly and clean. As a Power Market Rewards member, get 5 cents off every gallon of gas with the purchase of 2 Bang Energy 16-ounce drinks. Download the Power Market app and sign up today. Power Market. Open early, open late.
Joe Shasky for the Morning Roast. And if you're an independent restaurateur or are starting a brand new business, then you gotta know about my friends at Trimark. Trimark, making independent restaurateurs' dreams come true in Northern California for over 55 years. Whether you're designing your next restaurant or you need equipment and supplies, this is where Trimark comes in. They do it all. And what's most important to them is being a partner to their business customers. Visit TrimarkWest.com. That's TrimarkWest.com.
The following is an attorney advertisement. get you back in the game. Our team of skilled attorneys will fight by your side for the treatment and compensation you deserve. We care about justice for injured workers. That's what makes us Northern California's premier workers' comp law firm. Call Boxer and Gerson at 510-345-2341 or visit boxerlaw.com for a free consultation. Boxer and Gerson, your life is worth the fight.
As a homeowner, adding an ADU is one of the smartest investments you can make. Contact Kamal the Builder and his experienced team at sfbayadu.com. From permits to construction, SFBay ADU is your one-stop shop. Visit sfbayadu.com or call 408-461-9956. Right now, the first 10 callers will receive a 20% discount off your ADU design. Call 408-461-9956. That's 408-461-9956 for a 20% discount. Do you have neuropathy? Are you experiencing numbness, tingling, and pain that just won't stop? Are you taking dangerous drugs that have serious side effects and never fix the pain? If so, please listen to this message. Neuropathy is a serious, progressive condition that only gets worse if not treated properly. Call SFBay Wellness at 844-94-NERVE to get back to doing the things you want to do. There is no drug, exercise, or surgery that can heal nerves. Don't wait until your condition gets worse and stops you from living your life fully. SFBay Wellness has a time-tested, proven track record of helping hundreds of patients to improve and reverse their neuropathy. If you're ready to regain your independence, contact SFBay Wellness at 844-94-NERVE. Call now for your $99 neuropathy special and receive a personal treatment plan that is tailored to your needs. Call 844-94-NERVE. That's 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again. Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve the nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people to cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Tuesday, Fox News Radio has you covered for the midterm elections, and it all starts with an hour special, Democracy 2022, the midterms, hosted by Fox's Brett Baer and Martha McCallum. Then live breaking news coverage of election night with Fox News Radio's Jared Halpern and Jessica Rosenthal, joined throughout the evening by reporters around the country, along with Fox News Channel guests and contributors. Listen on the Fox News app starting Tuesday night at 6 Eastern. Download it now and just click the Listen tab. It's Democracy 2022 on Fox News Radio.
For your decision about
Brian,
2024. Thank you, sir. Always great.
Thank you, Brian.
Meanwhile, I'll have to talk about American history. I'm doing it on stage and hope you can join me in Brandon, Mississippi, November 12th. Go to Tulsa, Oklahoma, November 13th, and Newark, New Jersey, December 2nd. Just go to BrianKilmeade.com. VIP opportunities where I'll get a chance to talk to you before and after. All about the President Freedom Fighter and the paperback that's now out. Meanwhile, coming up next on this very show, one of the most impressive GOP candidates this midterm season, Carrie Lake. She tells us why the governor's mansion in Arizona is within her reach.
Jordan. This week's Georgia Senate vote will help determine which party controls Congress next year.
Democrats took control of the Senate 2 years ago by flipping Georgia, so this is a crucial state. Herschel Walker has the momentum going into Election Day, having closed the gap with incumbent Senator Raphael Warnock.
Fox's Aisha Hasni, over 2 million Georgia voters, voted early. This winter, low supply of diesel fuel and heating oil will drive up costs.
Diesel prices are up $1.69 from their position a year ago. So it's a very, very difficult time for motorists and home heating oil customers.
Oil industry analyst Troby